Welcome to the Tokyo EDITION in the Ginza neighborhood. On this video, I'm going to show you some of my favorite spots, secret areas, the rooftop deck, a room tour, and a whole lot more. But for now, let's go look at the lobby. Come on in. Thank you so much. This Ginza Hotel opened in last year, December 2023. The lobby has one of my favorite things, which is this beautiful staircase. I'm going to show you that later in the video. But for now, let's go upstairs and check out my room. Let's go. All right, come on inside. Let's check this out. I'm going to use my key card. Just swipe right here. We are on the 8th floor. Oh my goodness. And now we're gonna go all the way up to the 8th floor to check out my room. This is my first time staying at this hotel. Previously, I was at the Mesm, and now I love additions. I like the one in Madison Square Garden in New York City. Oh, but in Tokyo, it's gonna be nice. Room 807. So originally we had a king room, and it was upgraded to rooms with 2 different beds. I like to have 2 different beds to sleep. I find I sleep a lot better that way. Let me give you a room tour. I've already seen some USB ports that I love to check. This feels so nice to do. Oh, the view out here is kind of cool. You can see looking out to the Ginza right next to us. You know, the view is fine. Let me look down on this side street. Here are the beds. We see 2 beautiful, they look like queen-size beds. Next to the bed, I see this little device and 2 USB 2.0 ports, as well as, oh, that's a regular power port. I see some plugs over here. I'll zoom in on that to show you. Some of my viewers on my hotel videos just love to see the different plugs. This appears to be either a white noise machine or a Bluetooth speaker. Probably a Bluetooth speaker. Simple phone. Next to the bed, we have some other connections. These lights, easy to turn on and off. Both beds, a nice little shawl cover on top. Now this work area, I love to see a desk inside of a hotel. Oh, hey, look at this, a little welcome gift. Let's look at these. Note the gold flakes. Can you see the gold flakes in that? Oh, they look so delicious. In this area, I'm always curious to see what type of connections. We've got 2 USB ports. Again, interesting that there's no Ethernet, but there is classic Marriott Wi-Fi and things like that. We've got the lamp, beautiful television all set up over here. Now, I'm a tea guy myself, so I love to see these tea selections that they have, as well as some alcohol and some water. I'll zoom in on the tea so you guys can see that a little bit better. You see a sencha and a hojicha that is available with this. And then the common, here we go, the coffee setup. These Nespresso pods will not be a surprise to anybody who's stayed at other Marriott properties and additions. More drawers. We'll look at the bathroom. 1 sink, which I think is interesting. I wouldn't mind having 2 sinks, but oh well. Let's do a quick towel check here. Towel check feels nice. These towels do feel like high quality towels. I give them a thumbs up. Hair dryer underneath, as well as, let's see the amenity box. Quite hidden but nice. Oh, I love to see the shaving foam. I gotta say that's quite good. Shaving foam, hairbrush, comb, all the essentials. Loofah pad in the back that you'll see. Le Labo extensions. What do we have? Into the bathroom, Japanese toilet, super modern. Now, will we have a bath? We do have a bath, which is nice. The EDITION is so minimalist. You can see the EDITION branded soaps and shower gels here. So we've got those right there. And then above, here is the overfall water thing down into the ground. I don't love the showers that are this style myself. I would say it's not one of my favorites, but this hotel is so nice. It's brand new. It just opened in December of 2023, I believe. There's one other addition. Oh, let's look at this. I love seeing bathrobes, and these bathrobes appear to be very nice quality. Very good thickness. These are not cheap bathrobes. I love those. You can see the slippers down to the bottom, the ironing board, some umbrellas. That appears to be an iron that's up top there. And inside of this, we'll open it up. Oh, my fingers, help me. Here you can see this, some yakutas down there. All right, this has been the tour. I believe this one does not open. This is the room tour. I'm gonna get changed and head out to the gym now. So let's go to the gym next. Let's look inside of the gym to see here. Now you'll notice immediately that it's a bit of a small gym. We're using the Techno Gym equipment here. It is a nice view looking outside. I'll show you exactly where the weights are. I don't think many people have shown this. The yoga mats, you can see some balls. I love those stretch bands, the relief things. Here's where the weights are located. Pretty self-explanatory. You would imagine that we're in Japan, so it's gonna be in kilograms. We have 2.5 kilograms all the way up to 10 kilograms, as well as some additional weights over there. This is a Techno Gym equipment. We found it fine for doing, let me loop this around. We found it fine for doing a basic workout. I rode on the bike this morning. I used some free weights. It's better than nothing, but this is not a big, large American gym like you might be used to. I did appreciate that they had this rower here, which I thought was nice. These are 2 bathrooms. There's one for women, here's one for men. You'll see the snacks that are over here, and that's it. Hello, and welcome to the rooftop here at the EDITION Ginza in Tokyo. We're right in Ginza, and this is on the roof. How amazing is this? Oh my gosh, that came out of nowhere. And the views up here and the vibes, the weather is gorgeous right now. I love it here. Look how nice this table is. Can you imagine just sitting at this table with your friends, reading a book, hanging out? Well, we're up here now to check it out as we just checked in. I love the views up here. I love the atmosphere. I love these bright colors, the sense of privacy from the hedges. My name is Nick Ray. I like to film these videos as I explore the world, going to luxury hotels. Will you do me a favor? If you like this video, give me a like or leave me a comment and tell me when you're planning your trip to Tokyo. What hotels are you looking at? What are you thinking about booking? I read and reply to every single comment. We're gonna walk around and go to some more of the public spaces, the different areas. But I have to say that if and when you come to this hotel, make sure that you definitely come up to the roof and bring your friends, bring your date, bring your significant other to read a book and hang out and enjoy this space. Well, let's go find more secret spaces. Follow me, let's go. This is the restaurant up right on the floor beneath the roof. Look how pretty it is with the different colors. Such a green color. There's a cool bar that they have over here as well, which I really like. And you can see everybody doing tea service and other areas here. This is nice. This is on, if the roof is on the 15, then I believe that this one is 14. But we'll check it out and see. It's right beneath the roof. Breakfast is served in this area, and it's called Sophie. I'll take a little picture of it right here so you can see it. Here's Sophie. Okay, what I wanted to say is the roof is up on the very top and the restaurant's there, but we're now gonna go out this way. Second floor Garden Cafe as we walk in. I think it's called Garden Cafe, but look at this great lounge area. Ooh, super cute. Wow, right above the lobby. Now the lobby is over here to the left. Oh my goodness. Look at this blue color of these things. A fantastic area. Just imagine having a drink. Konnichiwa. Is photo okay? I take a picture? Okay, arigato. And we're just showing around the room. As we look at this area, imagine being here with your friends. This is very classy and super nice. Now to put it in perspective, I'll show you the view right above to the lobby, and then I'll show you how it looks down below. So it's pretty cool. This looks so nice. Wow. This is the view downstairs into the lobby, and I'll show it to you right now as we go. I think he has questions about why I'm filming. Look at this. This is the lobby. Right down there with those awesome EDITION staircase. If you remember the EDITION in New York City, well, that staircase should remind you of that, and that's right where we come in downstairs. These stairs, let's walk down the stairs into the lobby. We just want to show you these stairs, because these stairs, the lighting is just so nice. As you come into the EDITION in Tokyo here in Ginza, You can walk up from the lobby, like I said, just into that little area. And then this is your lobby where you're gonna walk in. And now you're gonna check in right over there on the right-hand side. That's where we came in. But for now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk right out down those awesome stairs, and I'll show you how it looks to walk right out into Ginza onto the street in Tokyo, Japan. Thank you so much for coming outside. Arigato. Thank you. And here is the view as you come out onto the street. To see, here we are, right into the Ginza. Well, we're gonna keep walking now, and I'm gonna go to Ginza 6, I believe, to maybe get a little bite of sushi or look at the bookstore there. Stay tuned, we'll show you a little bit more.